FREMM EVO frigates for the Italian Navy. July 31, 2024. As part of the multi-year FREMM program aimed at the renewal of the Italian Navy's fleet through the construction of next-generation frigates, Orizzonte Sistemi Navali, OSN, a joint venture owned by Fincantieri, 51%, and Leonardo, 49%, has signed a contract worth approximately €1.5 billion with OCCAR, Organization Conjointe de Coopération and Matière d'Armement, for the construction of two new FREMM frigates of the Evolution version, known as FREMM EVO. The two new units will be at the cutting edge of naval military craft, in terms of technology and performance, capitalizing on the important technological developments already undertaken as part of recent programs under the Defense Act, as well as the mid-life upgrade project for the Horizon-class destroyers. The Italian Navy will be able to rely on two new FREMM frigates ensuring high operational performance, with state-of-the-art technology and cutting-edge systems, as well as the latest anti-drone capabilities and the capacity for operational management of unmanned systems across three dimensions, above the surface, on the sea and below the surface. The engineering expertise of Orizzonte Sistemi Navali at both whole warship and combat system level will enable the Italian Navy to make use of two operationally cutting-edge and technologically state-of-the-art vessels. These units will contribute both to boosting the defensive capabilities and increasing operational flexibility. All the anti-submarine warfare, ASW, capabilities and features of the FREMM ASW units currently in service will also be available in the new vessels. The two new units will be built at Fincantieri's integrated shipyard in Riva Treviso and Moggiano, with the first FREMM EVO due to be delivered in 2029, while the second unit will be available in 2030. More specifically, the main modernizations and technological upgrades will concern the ship management system Cyber Resilient, the air conditioning and electrical distribution system, and the implementation of specific solutions aimed at improving the ship's green footprint for the platform system. The combat system will be upgraded with the modern combat management system SADOC for Cyber Resilient, radar sensors, specifically with fixed-face XC dual-band radars, able to support defense against TBM threats, electronic warfare, artillery, and missile systems, the sonar suite, communication system, and tactical data links, capable of ensuring the highest and most effective level of interoperability. The FREMM EVO frigates will be fitted with highly dependable equipment, relying on robust maintenance plans to ensure their readiness for action, with high levels of operational availability. Admiral Enrico Cretendino, Chief of the Italian Navy, stated, "The acquisition of the two next-generation FREMM EVO frigates is part of the broader renewal and modernization plan that the Italian Navy has launched to upgrade its capabilities, in order to adaptively, promptly, and effectively respond to current and future scenarios in a world that has rapidly changed in recent years." The evolution of the FREMM capitalizes on a project that has proven, over the years, its full compliance with the requirements of the Italian Navy and has gained widespread international consensus. Starting from this solid base, we have integrated latest generation technologies and modern systems on the FREMM, thus enhancing the ship's defense capabilities and broadening the spectrum of activities that can be conducted within missions carried out for the defense and security of our country, in order to protect the national maritime cluster of which we are the catalyst to keep sea lines of communication and straits open, to monitor and keep the seabed safe, and to project diplomacy, culture, and made in Italy, as well as to provide support to those in need. Giovanni Sorrentino, Chief Executive Officer of Orizzonte Sistemi Navali, said, "The signing today of a contract to supply the Italian Navy with another two FREMM frigates in the FREMM EVO configuration is the result of close collaboration between institutions, armed forces, and private industry. I wish to thank all those who have dedicated their commitment and expertise to facilitating the finalization of this contract, which represents a significant achievement for the entire national defense industry, for Fincantieri and Leonardo, the major players in Italian defense at both national and international level, and for all the small and medium-sized businesses that form the backbone of our country's manufacturing sector." Pier Roberto Falguiero, Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Fincantieri, stated, To us, relaunching Orizzonte Sistemi Navali is the commitment to create a unique integration point between Fincantieri's naval expertise and Leonardo's armament systems. It is the place where we measure the country's ability to oversee and develop the best military naval skills in the interest of the Italian Navy, representing the tradition and technological excellence of our industry. The new FREMM EVO will be the evolution of the frigate that has set an international standard over the past 20 years, in which we will apply new technological solutions validated in all dimensions, from cybersecurity to underwater. With the new FREMM EVO, the Italian Navy will be able to count on next-generation naval units, which are reliable, sustainable, and have advanced operational capabilities. We are proud to be part of this highly significant project. It demonstrates how synergy between the public and private sectors can create important economic and technological opportunities, commented Lorenzo Mariani, CEO General Manager of Leonardo. We will continue to support the development of these technological excellences with determination and expertise, being aware of their strategic role for the security of our country and their positive impact on the Italian production fabric. In the coming weeks, Orizzonte Sistemi Navali will finalize subcontracts with Fincantieri and Leonardo, with a value respectively of around €690 million and approximately €415 million. The contract with Fincantieri constitutes significant related party transaction defined in appliance with the applicable legislation, while for Leonardo the above subcontract is a related party transaction of lesser importance, considering the contract value and the applicable relevance indexes. Both transactions are in keeping with the applicable regulations and are exempt from the procedural regime for related party transactions, including jointly, pursuant to current regulations and the respective procedures adopted.